What's going on, everybody? This is the Smoking Trader. Why I'm the Smoking Trader is, well, I'll leave that to your imagination. Anyway, this is my first video here, so forgive me if it sounds like it's my first video. Anyway, gonna go over some charts here. I trade the futures typically. I recorded these trades here yesterday. As you can see, I'm actually in a trade right now with the E-mini S&P 500, actually the micro S&P 500. These are actually funded accounts with Apex. Well, not funded yet, but they're. This was my third day, so today is my fourth day. And got a trade for 10 days, so I've done it probably about 20 times, and I've failed every time because of stupidity. Just because I don't follow my own rules is what it is. I don't follow my own rules. I always start off the day very profitable, and by the end of the day I'm in red because I keep trading and I keep trading, and I don't know why I can't stop. But so far, yesterday and today, I've been doing pretty good. I've been able to stop. After today, I'm up. I should be able to pull in my P&L, but I'm up about $3,000. I'm actually trading 3 different accounts. I'll go over some more in the next day or two with you guys. I'm just really starting to try this out here today to see if this even works. If you can hear my voice while the charts are up. But we'll go over a couple trades here. So it looks like I'm going to take a short here. On my other screen, I got the volume profile up, so I believe this was at the point of control. And there we are. We got take profits right there. I think I got another one coming up here fairly quick. I like coming in here off of the moving averages and taking a trade, especially typically when it's excuse me, when it's after a transition or a change. You can see here it started transitioning from red to green right about here. I don't even think you guys can see my cursor right now when I'm talking. That sucks. Well, we'll end this video fairly quick here. We'll just go over a couple of these trades, and then we'll move on. I'll do a video tomorrow or the next day, and I promise they'll be much better. So right here, I'm waiting to go long. Here comes my P&L. See, yesterday I had 2 contracts. Now I'm doing 3 contracts. Oh, did you see how fast that was? You guys probably missed it. I missed it too again. I got in a trade about 3 seconds and took profit. I have it set 7 points or 7 ticks to take profit and 17 ticks just for a stop loss. Don't ask me why. I hardly ever keep them exactly that. I'll always move my stop loss accordingly to the previous pivot low, and then I'll adjust my take profit accordingly. But here we are. We're going to go and take. What are we going to do here? I would assume we're going to go short. I can't remember. I know it was just yesterday. Guess I should start marking my trades when I take them. So yeah, what we're going to do in this channel is we're going to go over everything about trading from the beginning to the end, how to get your accounts opened up, because it's such a pain in the ass. I mean, it's taken me 2 years pretty much to figure out. I mean, and I'm nowhere near knowing everything, but you know, it's so frustrating to get an account opened up, even with, especially with futures. For some reason, it just, you know, you got to get your data feed, and you got to get your broker, and you got to do this, and you got to do that. I mean, it is such a pain in the fucking ass. Extremely frustrating. So for you new guys out there, I'm going to help you out, because I really wish that there was someone like that that it just explained everything, because there's people out there right now that it seems like all they do is want your money, and they just talk right past everything, and they miss all the little details about what to do. So I'm not going to do that to you guys. I'm going to go over every little detail, tell you guys exactly what needs to happen to get going here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me, because I'm going to have some good content here coming up. It's really hard talking into I don't think I'm going to ever do this again, because obviously I recorded the trades yesterday, and I'm doing the audio today, so it's really hard to do. I don't think I'm going to ever do that again. I'm going to have to wait. YouTube makes you wait 24 hours before you can do a live stream, so that's what I'm waiting for right now. I'm going to hopefully get up and start doing some live streams every day for you guys. That's what I really want to do. We'll see how it goes. I got a very good feeling that I'll probably be sitting here talking to myself for a very long time without any subscribers. But that's okay. I got my dogs here. They'll keep me company. So I think we're getting ready to take another trade here. Yeah, on my other screen I have the volume profile, so right there, looks right at 4212.75 is point of control. So I'm hoping to get up to that and bounce off of that and come back down for a nice. I scalp pretty much. I try and go for, and not really one point, maybe 1.5 minimum to 2 points, and upwards to maybe 4 or 5 points. Sometimes I'll let it ride and let it go into a semi swing trade, I guess you'd call it. But rarely am I ever in a trade for more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I would say, I think the longest I've been in a trade is maybe 5 minutes, but I doubt it. And that's just when I'm waiting to get lucky, when I've done something stupid, and I'm just praying to the gods that something turns around and I get lucky. And that never works. Not for me anyway. Yeah, point of control. Typically the price loves to go to point of control where there's a lot of volume, and then bounce right off of it. Oh yeah, I do remember this. This was on my other screen. I had a hard time finding out exactly where point of control was, so I know it was between like 42.12 and 42.14, something like that. So I'm kind of fudging around with it here to make sure I don't miss the bounce. If I'm not mistaken, I think I actually close this out and then just go right below price to ensure that I get the trade. Because here, trying to catch the very top, that's, you get lucky sometimes and you can do it, but I don't like doing that. So I think I close out this order here and then go right below price action to get the trade. I think that's what I do. Again, forgive me if this sounds horrible. I'm gonna get everything all tuned up and worked out here for you guys. Not even sure that this is working at all. Yeah, see, I'm just going to close it out and come right underneath it here. At least I thought I did. I'm all over the place. There we go. Had I just left it there, I think that was right on the top. I think it would have had the top exactly. But I'm too chicken shit. This ensures you get in a trade here. So we're going short here with 7 contracts. Again, gonna hopefully bounce off point of control, heavy volume, and just get an easy scalp here. You can see my P&L down there in the bottom of the screen. There's running, I think I'm running 2 different what do you call it? 2 different accounts with Apex. These are the funded accounts here with Apex. Right now I'm up about 3,000 in my fourth or fifth day. These were done yesterday. There you go, I'm in the trade. Adjusting my stop loss there to the previous high. We're just running micros there yesterday. There's an easy $70, I think, something like that. Really far from the moving averages there. And it's been such a downward spiral for the last 2 weeks. It's hard to take longs anymore. But it looks like I'm trying to here. You get past that point of control, you get past all that high volume, and it really opens up. I don't use very many indicators. I got the 21 and the 50 MA there, and then I got some swing lows marked out there, and then on my other screen I'm using the volume profile. The next video I do, I'll have the volume profile directly on the screen here. That way you guys can see exactly where I take my trades. Again, today is just a kind of my first video today, so I'm just kind of fucking around with it a little bit just to see if I can even get it to work here. I think I'm going to go ahead and close it up here for the day. See if I wonder if I could speed it up. No. That's stupid. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Promise next video will be much better.